Hey guys, hey, all praises to the Most High. God is the greatest here. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin here, and I want to share some advice with you as it relates to being rich now. Now, what you're looking at here is money. Now, I want you to pay attention here, and as you guys are jumping in here, great morning, great afternoon. Maybe you're live with me right now, or maybe you're on YouTube, okay, on Facebook here, but I'm getting ready to go to the gym real quickly here, and I want to do a video about money, okay? And I want to, like, I've been to Tokyo, I went to Malaysia here, and I went to Thailand, so this is different currency around the world. But it's something that you don't know about money that I want to educate you about. That's going to help you have a couple of breakthroughs, okay? So guys, go ahead and put your names below here. And I want, before I give you this advice, now, I went to Monaco 6 months ago, listen, and I met a billionaire, right? If you ever been to Monaco, it's a beautiful place. I suggest everybody go to Monaco. It's gorgeous here. And I was laying out on the beach here, right, getting a tan here. As you can see, I need one. And this billionaire shared something with me that quadrupled my income in 30 days, okay? Now understand this. Yes, I'm a millionaire, right? And I already was a millionaire. But he shared something with me that opened up my eyes. And I thought that I would give it to you because a lot of you are still struggling. You're still trying to get a breakthrough. But what he shared with me was profound. He has a net worth about, I think, $50 billion. If I said his name, you'll know it here. Okay? But what I want you to do is this. Before I give you that advice, I want you to tag one person because I'm going to give you something to do for the next week. Now, I did this for 7 days, and it quadrupled my income, okay? And I want you to do the same thing. Tag one person, maybe your business partner, okay? Maybe your friend, your BFF, your enemy. It doesn't matter, celebrity. Tag one person, and as you decide to share this video, I want you to start to feel good about what I'm about to tell you. And you're going to notice that every word that I'm going to tell you is on time, okay? Now, when you hear these words, I want you to write it below, okay? I want you to think and relax for a second. This is what you want, right? I'm not trying to brag. I'm not trying to say, look at me. Just pay attention. I'm going to give you a philosophy of the rich, of a billionaire, okay? He said, Wesley, don't focus on the money, focus on the lifestyle. Listen to me, young people. Now, I want you to stop and really think about this. He said, Wesley, okay, great. You got nice cars. You got nice things. You got a bunch of money. And I see that you have a goal because you want to make more money. He said, the reason why I'm a billionaire, okay, at that time, I was a multi-millionaire, which I am now, moving swiftly towards becoming a billionaire here. And he said, Wesley, don't focus on the money, focus on the lifestyle. And he said, well, Wesley, in actuality, you really don't want money, right? You just don't want pieces of paper with dead notables on it. What you want is a lifestyle, right? You want the money to do different things. So the question is, all the money that you want to obtain from the universe, right? With your business, what do you want to do with the money? What type of lifestyle do you want to live? Right now you're traveling the world, you bought some cars, you bought some homes, you got some investments, great. You're taking care of your parents, great. What's next? What type of lifestyle do you want to live? And I was like this. I was like, huh? I said, oh, what? I was like, man, I got jewelry, right? I have money in the bank. I have millions of dollars in my bank account. I have $1 million worth of cars. I have a condo in Houston. I have 5 more I got 6 rental properties around the planet. I got another couple of $1 million in some stock portfolios. I'm even in Bitcoin. I retired my parents. I give them a bunch of money every couple of months here. Bought my mom a Chanel purse. I take care of my children. Bought the baby mama. I bought her a brand new car. What's next? And when I started to think about, well, what else do I want to do? It happened faster for me. I said, you know what? Well, because at that time, I think I was feeding about 20 people per week. I said, you know what? I'm going to feed 200 people per week, or 300 homeless people per week. You know, I work out 4 times a week. You know what? I'm going to work out 6 times a week. You know what? Instead of having just one main residence here, I'm going to get another residence in Florida here. And as a matter of fact, I want one in Atlanta. I'm going to get a residence in Los Angeles. And I'm going to have one in France as well. And on top of that, I'm going to have a maid in each of them. I'm going to have a chef in each of them as well. And I'm going to have 7 cars per home. What I was doing was this. Listen, I was starting to create the lifestyle. Now, I want you to listen to me. What I want you to do for the next 7 days, it changed my life. Just do it. Come on, play with me. If you're going to do this, hit the like button. It would change how you think about money. For 7 days, I want you to think about the lifestyle that you want to live for the next 20 to 30 years. It may take you 1 day. It may take you 1 week. It may take you 1 month. But I want everybody, you that's listening to my voice, okay? I want you to write down, what type of lifestyle do I want to live based off the money I want to receive? Hit the like button if that makes sense, and share this, okay, please. All right, because this is a challenge. This revolutionized my life. Yes, I have money goals, but to be honest with you, 90% of the time I am thinking about what type of lifestyle day to day in a very, very detailed way on how I want to live. I want to wake up. I want to hug my children, tell them I love them. Like in about 4 days, me and my son here, we're going to Florida, right? We're going to Miami, Fisher's Island, because I got to go look at my place that I'm getting ready to rent out there. And we're going to go fishing out there. I created the lifestyle. I want you, young people, it doesn't matter how broke you are. It doesn't matter if you're confused about your life right now. It doesn't matter if you had a job that you can't stand right now. I want you right now to write down, when this video ends, what type of lifestyle you want to live. And I want you to tag a couple of people that's going to do it with you. I believe that people got to hold you accountable. Find somebody, tag them below. I'm going to have this video on YouTube. If you're on YouTube, I love you. If you're on Instagram, I love you. If you're on Facebook, I love you. Tag a couple of people. And while you decide to share this, I want you to feel good about what you're doing. And all I want you to do, don't think about the money. Just like that billionaire told me, think and focus on the lifestyle. Hey guys, I'm done here. I love you guys so much. I want you to right now, oh my God. Hey, I love you guys so much. Remember, focus on the lifestyle for the next 7 days, not the money. Let's go! Later.